told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name. My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling, and I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind, I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can hide. But if I told you that I've fallen,
dayon gid atong ginahurat-hurat sa sobrang buhay naton. Yaon gid kita. Ag always remember nga buko man akot perfect, pero I will try my very best to be a good wife kimo ag future naton ni mga unga.
Ang iniisip.
Today is a day of great joy. We gather here not only to celebrate the union of this couple in the sacrament. Marriage is not about who is right or who is greater. It is about lowering yourselves for one another.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Puso ay
Iya man gyapon ako kimo napalangga ag abogid nga salamat kasi yung palangga mo ako kung sino ako or kung may ano ako. Always remember that yun, mahal na mahal kita forever and ever.
akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko. Likaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.
Ay mahal rin po ang unang-una bago pa kita pag mo pa ako ginsabat ay unang kita ko po ang kimuhay side tuon niya ikaw ro ako niya leading future wife o side mo man din doon kung una parang hay kung mauno na ako ikaw kagusto ag mauno kagid na akong kapalangga. Thank you so much ma sa tanan-tanan side mo man doon kung mauno ka ikaw kapalangga. I love you ma, I love you so much.